Hi, my name is Becky. Welcome to the beauty of symmetry in Chinese calligraphy. Today we are going to have an exercise lesson, which means I will only introduce you the meaning and the knowledge of these two characters. And in next lesson, I will show you with a brush on how to write them in a calligraphy way. Okay, now let's look at the first character. The first character is this one. And a modern simplified character is like this. And the pronunciation is fu. Fu means minus. What is the history? What is the background of this character? Let's look at this. So fu originally means rely on. Why means rely on. So our ancestors thought that on the top, this is a knife to cut something. And at the bottom is shell, the shell in the seashore. What does shell mean? In the old times, somebody boards like New York with some shells, right? So in the old times in China, we also use the shells as money. So you can say somebody relies on the knife to rob others' money. So that's relying on. Once somebody's money was stolen, was robbed by others, then he doesn't have some money. He has to borrow some money from others. So his money become minus. So now we mostly use this character as minus, but not rely on. But we still keep this meaning sometimes. Okay, when this character comes to the traditional character, it's like this. And then in the modern simplified characters, we simplify the bottom part, the shell part, from this one into this one. So now we use this character in China. Okay, that's the meaning. Okay, now the second character is like this. And in simplified character, it's like this. And it pronounced as yo. Yo means by. So that's the most popular meaning we use yo for, means by. But originally, in the old times, you can see the yo is combined with this part. Do you still remember this part? This part in the middle? What does this part mean? It's like the farmland, right? So in the old times, our ancestors thought that a farmland is like they already scale and have a limit of the 4 edges. So it was something with the 4 sets, with the 4 limits, that is a farmland. How about something that comes up and also have some extra part of this character? So it becomes to no surely limits. So no surely limit means it can change, it can be slimed. So that is how does it from. So actually in characters, in Chinese characters, many characters with this part means not sure, means slide or slippery or something. So but this character we use as by, and we have another character like this. Do you still remember these 3? This means water, right? So this means oil. Okay, these are the background of these 2 characters. So in this lesson, I'm not going to show you how to write them with a brush. So you have to write them by yourself first. And in next lesson, I will show you with a brush on how to write them. Okay, see you next.